Hey guys, so the other day I decided to order a chainsaw from Amazon. So that's what's in this box. We're gonna open it up and see what all comes with it. It had pretty good reviews, so I figured I'd get this one. It says it's 58 cc's. It idles at 3,000 revolutions per minute. There's your tank capacity, your max speed, your rated output power 3.5 horsepower, and the guide bar is 20 inches. Another reason I got this one is it has a primer bulb. So let me get this box out of here. And I'm gonna have to cut the tape. Got my case pocket knife here. We'll get this thing open. I'm really excited about this too. And if it don't work, I'll go buy a big name chainsaw. But I'm pretty sure this is gonna work very nicely. And right on top, we have our chain guard. And it tells you the lengths of the chain. Then we've got our guide bar. Here's our chain. There's all the specs about the chain. And here's your owner's manual. And then we've got a bag that's got tools in it. We'll see what kind of tools come in this bag here. We got a chainsaw wrench. We got a small flathead screwdriver for tuning. We got a small file to sharpen the chain. Let's see if we can focus on that. Well, I can't get it to focus on it. Anyway, there's your small file for sharpening. Here's your guide teeth. They go right behind the bar. And then here's some Allen wrenches to put it all together with. Put all that back in the bag. I'm really excited about this chainsaw. Might be silly, but I gave just over $100 for this, and if it works, it's well worth that. Here's just some safety glasses, and here's for the meat. Here comes the meat and potatoes. Let me give you some delay. Now's a good time. If you're not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button, leave us a like and a comment. Go check out our other videos. We've got all kinds of how-to videos and demonstration videos and tool deal videos. So if you enjoy any of that stuff, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And here is our fuel mixing bottle. And then what you've all been waiting for is the chainsaw. So we'll take our plastic off here. This thing looks really good, actually. Hang on just a second. Let me get this plastic off of here. There you go. Man, that's a good looking chainsaw. And I really like the grip on the handle. And one thing that's special about this chainsaw is it's got a primer button. So you shouldn't have to pull your arm off to get this thing started. And then there's your on-off switch. And it's got a sound warning over there, 110 decibels. There's where your gas goes. And I'm looking for where the bar and chain oil goes. Bar and chain oil goes right there. So this has been the unboxing video of an Amazon chainsaw, and I'll leave a link in the description where you can get it. And again, if you're not subscribed to our channel, now's a good time to subscribe, and be looking for the video about how to assemble this chainsaw. I'm going to make that next. So if you want to know how to put this thing together, then watch the next video I put out. Hopefully y'all have enjoyed this video, and have a great day, and thanks for watching.